Hi guys, if your Samsung keyboard is talking whenever you type something like this
DUEE7RDF
and you want to turn off this talking keyboard on Samsung Galaxy M35, then let's see how to do it. So for that, go back. Now first of all, go to settings and then scroll down. Here tap on accessibility and then tap on vision enhancements. Now scroll down. And here under this spoken assistant section, you will see this option, speak keyboard input allowed. You have to simply turn it off. And once you disable this option, from now on, your keyboard will not speak whenever you type something. So let's check it. Go back. Now let's try to type something. You can see keyboard is not talking or not making any kind of sound. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn off talking keyboard on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.